If you look around at the world and all the stress and problems, you might get the idea that the cause of a lot of that stuff is money. It really can kill joy in the world. Except that it's not money. It's beliefs about money, people's behavior around money. Money in and of itself is a tool that can be used to do a lot of good and create a lot of joy. But when we think that it isn't that, we want to keep it away from us. We want to limit how much of that stressful stuff we have in our lives. That's why I created the program Tap into Money Joy, to cultivate a healthier relationship with money, feeling so much better about it so we allow ourselves to have more of it. We do more good things with it because it's a source of joy. And so I ran this first course and people loved it. But the really key thing about it was it's a live course. I'm tapping with people live, and there's a real power and a real energy to doing it as a live program. And I was doing it at my usual time of 1 p.m. Pacific, which does not work for a lot of people around the world. So in order for people to have that live experience of cultivating money joy, I'm going to be running 2 more programs, this time in October from the 8th through the 29th, one at 7 a.m. Pacific and one at 5 p.m. Pacific. So maybe you heard about Tap into Money Joy before and you thought that time doesn't work for me. Hopefully one of these times will work for you and you can join us live and use tapping to clear out these old beliefs about why money isn't joyful, why money should cause pain and stress. Let that stuff go. Allow yourself to feel really good about money so that you allow more of it into your life and you do a lot more good with it. Please and thank you. So find out more information at tapwithbrad.com/moneyjoy. Thanks.